Hello YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, for today's video we are in a different part of my house, y'all. I definitely wanted to come and give y'all kind of an updated skincare routine, or show you guys what I do when my face breaks out. So today I'm having a breakout, y'all. It's been a pretty busy week, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do to get rid of these blemishes, because ain't nobody got time to be walking around with a whole bunch of blemishes on their face, okay? Of course, everything that I will be using in this video will be down below in the description bar. But during this time, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to answer your questions. Let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to get really close up to show you guys my skin right now. As you can see, yeah, I have two nice size pimples right here, but the rest of my face is fine, but I do have two nice little planted pimples. The first thing I do in my process, of course, is cleanse my skin. So I'm actually going to use the Camille Rose Anti-Blemish Bar. The bar looks like this, and it can be ordered from the Camille Rose website, but it's a solid bar that lathers. So the Blemish Bar actually comes with 2 sponges. I personally do not use a sponge because if you do have acne prone skin, sponges are your worst enemy because they hold bacteria. So I personally do not use these. What I use, however, is the Target brand Calm cleansing wipes. These right here. These are, I would say, a safer alternative to using like a sponge, just because of course they're disposable right after you use them, and it just prevents your skin from breaking out even further if you use these instead of a sponge. So anyway, well, let me show you guys how I do this. Alright, so now that I have a good lather on my face with the Blemish Bar, as you can see, I have my steamer going right here. There's a reason why I use my steamer, especially when I have breakouts, because the steamer is going to help open up the pores even deeper than just washing the face would. This is going to make sure this Blemish Bar gets into the skin a bit more. So I steam my face before I rinse this off. The steamer that I'm using is actually the exact same steamer as my hair steamer. It comes with this attachment. So definitely look for the link in the description bar for the hair/face steamer. You don't have to get this exact one. They have a good amount of them on Amazon if you can't find this one. But yeah, just get you a nice little face steamer. If you don't have a face steamer, you can also just boil a pot of water, take a towel, and put the towel over your head and just steam your face that way if you don't. So on normal occasions, I would go ahead and do my toner, apply my moisturizer, and just kind of leave my face alone. But since I do have these 2 blemishes or breakouts on my face, I'm going to show you guys the mask that I do in order to somewhat clear the skin up and get the inflammation out quickly. Alright, so the first product you'll need is apple cider vinegar. If you know anything about apple cider vinegar, you know that it's really good for killing bacteria on the skin. So I love this for my face mask. Next product that I use is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is really good for reducing the scarring or hyperpigmentation on the skin if you have a breakout. So I like to incorporate this in all my masks. And last but not least, I love to use aloe vera gel in my mask because it is an anti-inflammatory plant. So it's really awesome to use to help out with the inflammation in the skin. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my plastic bowl and spoon and combine the products. So I am going to do 2 teaspoons of the turmeric powder, and then 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I don't necessarily measure the aloe vera gel. I just kind of put enough in there to get somewhat of a thick paste consistency. One thing I would like to note is that the apple cider vinegar and the turmeric together are pretty strong, so definitely test this on one portion of your skin before applying it everywhere. A patch test is absolutely necessary to make sure you don't have a reaction to this mixture. so now I'm just going to apply this all over the skin. I'm using a makeup brush because I couldn't find my mask brush, but this is a clean makeup brush, so I don't have any concerns there. But I am going to apply it all over, including my neck, and just go from there. Okay, so now that we have the turmeric face mask applied, I know I look a little crazy. I am going to let this sit on my face for about 15 minutes max, and then I'm going to rinse it off and then follow up with my normal face routine. All right, so we're back. As you can see, the mask has pretty much hardened on my face, so now I'm just gonna rinse it off. And I'm actually gonna follow up with washing my face again with the Blemish Bar, just because this mask leaves like a film over the face, and I like to make sure I get all of it off. You don't necessarily have to follow up with the Blemish Bar. You can follow up with something that's a little bit more mild. But since this Blemish Bar is pretty light, it doesn't dry my skin out, I am going to follow up with it. So now that I have the skin all cleansed and whatnot, I actually went ahead and sprayed my face with my toner. I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray, and it has aloe and chamomile in it. It's really good. Love this stuff. I go through so many bottles. So now I'm just going to apply my moisturizer, but at night I also apply a hydrocortisone cream just because my skin is very sensitive and it's very prone to like the small little bumps. This actually helps out a lot. You don't have to do this. You can just apply any type of moisturizer that works for you. But for me, I like applying both. So once I apply my moisturizer, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Of course, I'll be doing more like this. But yeah, that's pretty much my routine when I have a breakout. Like I said earlier, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And until next time, bye.